The time limit for filing notice of objection to CRA tax assessments. A taxpayer has 90 days from the date of mailing of the CRA income tax assessment in which to file a notice of objection, as set out in paragraph 165 sub 1 sub A of the Canadian Income Tax Act. If that 90-day limitation period is missed, paragraph 166.1 sub 7A of the Tax Act provides that an application to the CRA to extend the time for serving a notice of objection to the CRA tax assessment must be made within 1 year after the expiration of the 90-day time limit for serving a notice of objection. So there is a 15-month window in which an objection might be filed with consent to CRA. If that 15-month limitation is missed, subsection 166.2 sub 1 of the Income Tax Act permits an application to be brought to the Tax Court of Canada extending the time for serving a notice of objection.